dreaming so much lately about your face when you're smiling. It's the only thing that saves me. Hey, I don't know if I told you that I think you're beautiful, and how I can't wait to hold you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know how I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down.
From my window, sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet.
You're trying to get me your payback. Why you motherfuckers don't?
You're
making $11,500 per day on that. Lame step back.
We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I'll get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wait.
The nice thing about Madrid, it's a big city, you know.
We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared.
Love, so we're now in San Sebastian, and I just had to have a quick change of outfit because, you know, we are going for dinner and I really couldn't go with like those jogging pants, so that's the reason why I'm wearing this turtleneck dress. Look at the view, look at the view behind. That is so cute.
I don't wanna be without you. This is something that I know for sure. It's just something about you. I just want more. Tell me what you wanna do right now. Tell me what you wanna do tonight. I really don't care as long as I'm with you. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other.
free. We were never meant to be, but I could not see you go. 'Cause of you, don't wanna waste another minute without you. And I will love you in the dark. And if you ever fall out, please don't leave me out. 'Cause I will love you till I'm gone. If you just hold on. If you just hold on. Don't think I could ever love the way you do. I'll try to make it up if you need me to. Something in your smile, I've never been so sure that all I ever wanted was to give you more. 'Cause if it all were up to me, we would always stay this free, and I would never let you go. 'Cause of you, don't wanna waste another minute without you. I will love you in the dark, and if you ever fall out, please don't leave me.
Hi my loves, so we finally arrived at the hotel, and I have to say that this is such a beautiful hotel. It looks very nice. It has exceeded my expectations, because normally when you get a hotel like this, you don't like think like people pay attention to details, and this hotel ticks off all the boxes. I think this is one of the many reasons why it had like 4.8 stars. I mean in guest review score. So I really like it. I love the aesthetics. I feel like this is a place that is so you know, like you can get creative in this space. It looks really nice. And the main detail that I love is the toilet. I love the toilet, the way it opens itself. That is something that is very unique. And I just want to say, like, I feel a little bit tired right now, and we will be sleeping, like, because tomorrow we have to get up early and continue with our journey. So I will also show you tomorrow in the morning how this area looks like in San Sebastian. We've never been here before, so it will also be first time for me to check around, because when we came in here it was a little bit dark. So we went and had dinner, and after dinner it was already too dark because it's winter time. So that's about that. I've had a shower and now it's time to rest and sleep. I don't know if there's anything else I've left behind. If I have, I will mention that tomorrow in the morning. So good night, my love.
Can't stop looking at her smile. Then you've been in love.
Hello my loves, and welcome back. Good morning. So today is such a beautiful morning as usual, and we are in San Sebastian, as I told you yesterday, and we had a good sleep, and now we're waking up. So yes my loves, so we're just going to start the day, and from here we're now going to drive straight to Madrid. And I'm just awed by how beautiful Spain is. Every time I come here I just see something different. Every time we're in a different city, and it looks different as well. So let's start the journey.
Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress?
Hello my loves, welcome back to San Sebastian.
Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause come alive. Yeah. I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're